People think strong individuals are born that way. Confident, fearless, unbreakable. That's a lie. Strength is not personality. It's not genetics. And it's definitely not motivation. Real strength is built when no one is watching. Strong people are made when life applies pressure, when things don't go as planned, when support disappears, when the weight gets heavy and stays heavy. This is where most people look for escape. But this is where strength begins. Pain teaches lessons comfort never will. It teaches patience, endurance, self-control. Strong people don't avoid pain. They learn from it. Every setback carves discipline. Every failure sharpens awareness. The strongest people are built in silence. No applause, no encouragement, no validation, just commitment. Silence forces you to face yourself. And that's where weakness either leaves or takes control. At some point, strong people stop asking, "How do I feel today?" They ask, "What must be done?" They don't wait for motivation. They don't negotiate with discomfort. Discipline replaces emotion. Strength isn't built in extreme moments. It's built through repetition, through showing up tired, through doing the work without reward. Ordinary actions, done consistently, create dangerous strength. One day, something changes. You no longer panic under pressure. You no longer seek approval. You no longer fear hard days, because strength has become your identity, not your effort. Most people quit before this phase, not because it's impossible, but because it's uncomfortable. They leave right before strength forms. Strong people don't announce themselves. You feel them in how they move, how they respond, how they stay calm when things collapse. Their strength speaks quietly, but it's undeniable. If life is hard right now, good. You are not being punished. You are being built. This is how strong people are made.